Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to do a 15-minute salsa workout. Alrighty guys, we are going to start off with a little cha-cha warm-up. Get ready, feet together. We're gonna start on the spot. Get ready, and 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna go into a basic step. Go. Forward. Back. Cha-cha 1. Forward. Cha-cha 1. Back. We're gonna cross it over New York. Cross. And back to that basic. And New York. We're gonna go into a hand-to-hand step back. Keep that up. And back to that basic. And New York. Very good. Hand to hand. Get ready for a spot turn. 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 And basic. New York. Hand to hand. Spot turn. And now just stay on the spot. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Very good. Keep it up. And alrighty guys, it is salsa time. Get ready. We are going to do the steps slowly first, and then we will pick it up to normal speed. Get ready? And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Slow. Slow. Cross. Side. Cross, back, side. Cross, side. Cross, back, side. We go forward and back. Cross, side. Cross, back, side. Cross, side. Cross, back, side. Forward with the left. Back with the right. Cross, side. Cross, back, side. Cross, side. Cross, back. Do it again. Forward. Back. Cross, side. Cross, back, side. Cross, side. Cross, back, side. Forward. Last time, slowly. And cross. Very good. Get ready. And normal speed. Go forward. Back. Cross. Side. Cross. Back. Side. Cross. Side. cross, back, side. Keep that up. Very good. We're gonna do it one last time. Very good. Let's go back to the basic, just a basic. Get ready. We're gonna go into the next step. Half tempo. Get ready. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and back. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get ready, full timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Keep this up. One more time. And done. Alrighty, guys. We are moving along. We are going to put those 2 steps together, normal tempo, and then we'll teach you the next one. Get ready? 5, 6, 7, here we go. Forward, back, cross, side. And here we go. Forward, back, 8, 4. Very good. Get ready for that cross. Very good. Very good. Get ready for those taps. Get ready for that cross. And get ready for that tap. And back to the basic. Very good, guys. Back to that basic. We're gonna learn our next step. Half tempo, of course. Here we go. Forward, back. We go back, back, step, tap, turn, step, tap, to the side. Very good. Get ready. Let's do it again. Forward, back, 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 step, tap, turn, tap, cross, and go. Forward, back, 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 step, tap, turn, step, tap, cross, and again. Forward, back, 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 step, tap, turn, and cross. Get ready, full speed, here we go. Forward, back, 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 tap, turn, tap, 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Keep this up. Do it again. Back. And back to that basic. Very good, guys. Get ready, putting all those steps together. Forward, back, cross, and forward, step, tap. Basic. Bring it back. Turn and forward. Cross it over. Very good. Alrighty, guys, let's finish that one more time. Let's do those 3 steps again, normal tempo, and then we'll go to the last step. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, back. Very good. Get ready for those taps. Good. Let's swing it back. Let's turn it. Very good. Back to that basic. Very good. Get ready for that last and final step. Nice and slow. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it again. Side, 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 together. Side, 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 together. Side, 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 together. Side, side. Get ready. Full tempo, go. 1. Go. Woo, I'm gonna get dizzy. One more time. And back to that basic. Just the basic. Let's get our thoughts together. Get ready. Everything together. Here we go. Forward. Back. Get ready for those taps. And swing it back. Turn. Get ready. Go. Go. Forward. Back. Get ready for those taps. And back. Very good. Get ready for the turn. And go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Get ready for those taps. Get ready, swing it back. Turn. And 5, 6, 7, good. Keep going. Very good. This routine really plays with your mind. Very good. Whew. Take a breath, guys. Breathing in through your nose, out of your mouth. Very good. So, this is what we're gonna do for this song. We are gonna run through the routine twice, slow tempo, just to make sure we got those steps. And then, from there on out, that's it. Full tempo, 5, 6, 7, here we go. Slow. Slow. Cross. Side. Cross. Back. Side. Cross. Side. Cross. Back. Side. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back. Back. Turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go. Forward. Back. Swing it back. 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 Drop and turn. And get ready. Side. Here we go. Full tempo and go. Very good. Get ready for those steps. Very good. Swing it back. Turn. And side. Very good. Keep this up. Tap. Swing it back. Drop and turn. And here we go. Side, side, side. Ooh, very good. Keep going. Thought the music stopped, but we ain't stopping. Here we go. Tap. Bring it back. Drop and turn. Side. Very good, guys. Alrighty, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.